Hi, this is Sonan. Well, I have a job for factory. Okay. Well, this job is about plastic recycling factory. Welcome for who can speak Chinese, and the interview will be the 5 April 16 p.m. So the work location is at Chikusei City, Ibaraki Prefecture, near station Kurogo station. So company name is Daisokai Company Limited Permanent. So the working hour is 8 a.m. to 17 p.m. and the salary will be 220,000 yen to 3 lakh yen. So now about the job fair. So for the company always participate in the job fair. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday is at 11 a.m. Thursday, Saturday, Sunday and Tuesday is at 1 p.m. You can give interview 4 to 8 company every day. So if the more details or more information, here is the phone number, and the office is situated at the near Kanda station. Thank you.